Republic Day Parade are: first, India at the rate 75 means 75 years of progressive India. Second, International Years of Millets and Nari Shakti. What is the flag unfurling time on Republic Day 2023?
The flag will be unfurled by President Draupadi Murmu at 9:30 a.m.
At what time the Republic Day Parade starts? The Republic Day Parade starts at 10 a.m.
Where can we see Republic Day Parade?
The Republic Day Parade with commentary will be aired on all Doordarshan channels. Thank you. Thanks for sharing highlights with us. Now we would like to sum up our assembly with a patriotic song.
big round of applause for them. So, you all know that we have a Republic Day tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
So, it's an off for you all. So, how do you plan to spend your day tomorrow? After the information that you've got, what all is going to happen tomorrow? Class 3s. Yes.
I'll watch the Republic Day parade.
Very good. So, hands down. So, do you all intend to watch the Republic Day parade?
Yes, ma'am.
And now that you know the theme of this year's Republic Day, the chief guest who's going to visit our country for the Republic Day celebrations. So, it's actually a delight to watch. And other than what all was shared, you all must be knowing that bravery awards are given to children on this day. Are you aware?
Yes.
So to know more about these, you must watch the Republic Day parade. And it was rightly the thought of the day said that nothing comes for free. The freedom has to be earned. So do you find yourselves grateful
Yes.
that you're born in a country that's free?
Yes.
Free of any other country's rule?
Yes.
And like it was very clearly said in the video, India is a democratic republic. You know the meaning of democracy? Yes, what is the meaning of democracy? Class 3s I want. Class 3 children should answer this. You know what is the meaning of democracy? Yes? Stand up.
Where they get to elect their president?
The president? Only the president?
No, ma'am, the prime minister also.
The government that is ruling us. Yes? And how does that happen? So democracy is basically where the citizens participate in electing the government they wish for their country, they want for their country. But how does that happen? How does that happen? How do citizens elect?
By voting.
Yes.
Ma'am,
By voting. So this brings me down to the fact that today, 25th January is National Voters Day. So today is the day when our election commission, the institute the organization that conducts elections was founded. So today is National Voters Day, and like it was said, India is a democratic country, and of course it is a republic also. So democratic republic. So what did you understand by the word republic? Did you understand what is the meaning of republic? Somebody who's not answered, Samanvay. There was a picture, no? What did they show? Yes, Saki. Very good. Republic Day we celebrate because we adopted the constitution, the rule book. But what is the meaning of republic? Yes, you want to answer? No? So we have, who is the first citizen of our country? Very good. The president. The president of the country is the first citizen. But is he a monarch? You know what is a monarch? A king? No. So in our country, we are democratic republic. We elect our government and the country runs according to the rules put together in the constitution. So everyone's participation is there. Yes? In running the country. Yes, you want to say something?
When the British ruled India, at that time, I heard that Chandigarh was made by a Britisher.
Okay.
It was designed by a Britisher.
By a Britisher?
Yes.
Find out. By a French person. But that was just designed. Right? So,
Was that
on...
Republic Day?
No. No. You'll have to research on that. So children, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. So spend your day in gathering more information about the Republic Day, and also, please put your hands down, I've not asked the question. And also, you must be grateful for the independence that we all have and never take it for granted. Got it? Yes, we should not just be proud on Independence Day or Republic Day. We should always be proud of our country and contribute in making it greater. Right? And a very beautiful song, I must say, Jaideep sir, ma'am. Very beautiful song. So we should follow what we say. Alright, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request all of you to rise for the national anthem. Rehan.